Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Verify your email, enable two-factor authentication, and confirm your account meets any age or ownership rules. Once done, open the app's account or settings menu and go straight to privacy or security. This is where access controls live. Make sure you know the server's access model, invite-only, whitelist, or role-based. These details determine which toggles or approvals you'll need. Now proceed to adjust visibility and message permissions to allow server invitations. Once in privacy, change invite permissions so you can receive server invites. Switch from no one to friends or everyone depending on risk tolerance. Next, enable direct messages and mentions if the server requires them, because some invite workflows send links via DM. Then check any link or invite filters. Add exceptions or lower strictness so legitimate invites aren't blocked. Make changes deliberately and save. These adjustments let the invitation reach you while keeping unwanted traffic controlled. Click the invite link or submit your whitelist request. Once accepted, follow verification steps inside the server. Complete CAPTCHAs, read rules, and assign yourself required roles. After verification, check channel visibility and notification settings so you don't miss updates. If the invite fails, make sure your privacy toggles still allow invites and DMs, then retry. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, message the server administrator with a screenshot of your privacy settings so they can confirm you aren't blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.